Before performing any type of installation of equipment in the field, always ensure the proper PPE is used. This includes safety goggles, gloves, hearing protection, work boots, and any other appropriate equipment relevant to completing the job safely. First, verify the drawing or any other provided document to ensure the correct constant spring support is being installed in the correct location. Then, measure the necessary space required to install the constant. Attach the base plate of the constant to the supporting structure by bolting or welding the constant in its installed location. Next, loosen the travel stop nuts below the angles to allow the load flange to rise up to the installed height. Then, loosen and raise up the travel stop nuts above the angles at least 1 nut thickness to allow the removal of the travel stop rods. Remove the travel stop rods from the load table and store for future use. The constant spring support is now ready for operation. Finally, check the load indicator marking to see if the constant is on the desired position. The white dot is the cold position, the red is the hot position, and the blue is the maximum range.